In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track your mileage in QuickBooks Online. Accurate mileage tracking is a simple way to capture tax-deductible driving or reimburse yourself for business trips, and QuickBooks gives you a clean place to keep it all organized. Once you're signed in on your computer, look to the left panel and click Expenses. This is where QuickBooks keeps costs related to your business. From there, select Mileage. That opens your mileage workspace, showing any trips you've recorded. You'll also see an option here to download the QuickBooks mobile app if you prefer to track your mileage on the go. The app makes it easy to record trips when you're out, but you can also add trips manually right from this screen. To create a new trip, click Add Trip in the top right. A form opens where you'll enter the details. Start by choosing the date of the drive. Enter the distance, along with the start and end point. If you know the exact addresses, add them. That helps keep your records clear. If you already know the total miles or kilometers, you can enter the distance directly as well. The key is to be consistent and accurate. Next, choose whether this was a business or personal trip. This classification matters for reporting and taxes, so pick the correct type for each drive. Then fill in the purpose field. Brief notes such as client meeting, site visit, or supply pickup make it easy to remember why the trip was taken if you review it later. Select the vehicle you used. Keeping your trips associated with the correct vehicle helps you stay organized, and if you track multiple vehicles, keeps your summaries accurate. If this was a round trip, meaning you traveled to a destination and returned the same way, turn on the round trip option. QuickBooks will automatically create 2 trip entries for you, saving time and ensuring both legs are captured. When everything looks good, click Save. Your trip is now recorded and will appear in your mileage list. From here, you'll be able to see totals build up over time and have a reliable log ready when you need it. A few quick tips as you use this feature. Enter trips soon after you drive so details stay fresh. Add clear purposes to each entry and consider using the mobile app for trips you take regularly. With these habits, tracking mileage becomes a quick routine rather than a chore. That's all it takes to track your mileage in QuickBooks Online. Thanks for watching, and happy tracking.